Hey guys, so welcome to the Living in Hamilton channel. We're going to be showcasing the stunning 2-in-1 property today. It does have a basement apartment. I can't wait to take you inside. Let's go take a look. If you're new to my channel, be sure to reach out to us. We are Hamilton, Ontario real estate agents, and if you're looking to buy a home or even sell an existing home and have your home featured on our lovely channel, be sure to reach out. My contact information is in the description and is also in the first comment. So the first thing I'm going to say about this home, it has been upgraded to please. In terms of quality finishes, this is probably one of the best upgraded homes that I've ever seen. And that says a lot. I've seen lots of homes, probably in the thousands at this point. And this is why this is a 2-in-1 home, guys, because you have a raised bungalow. Those that know what a raised bungalow is it is pretty much having a basement that has full ceiling height in some cases and doesn't even feel like you're in a basement. And with this separate area, you do have a full finished basement. You also have your separate entrance. So full rental potential there. As you make your way up the stairs, you have the stunning view of this open concept layout. And I really want to pay attention to the finishes of this home, guys, but look at the glass staircase. Like, come on. No stone was left unturned here, guys. This house, the owner definitely put a lot of heart into renovating this home. And I want to see the right family living in here. I want to see the right family, taking advantage of having a rental opportunity in the basement, having these incredible new appliances, stunning cupboards, quartz countertop, stainless steel appliances, gold finishes throughout, double sink, looking through the window. Like, guys, and the light fixtures. Whew. And then look at this space. You can make this into a formal dining area, an office, a kid's playroom. I really like this as a kid's playroom as a mom of 2 young girls. Just having their own separate space is like, that's something that's a non-negotiable for me because I don't want all the toys in the living room. And to the parents out there with kids, I think you can relate. But look at this. And you have big, gorgeous window. Such a large space. It could even fit a bed. Could be a bedroom. It legally cannot be considered a bedroom because there isn't a closet, but boy, could that be used as a bedroom. Then you have the stunning dining area. Loving the wood paneling. It adds a lot of character to the space. Loving the unique light fixture. This is such a large space for a dining area, guys. Loving the round edge entry point to this space. I mean, guys, loving the pot lights. So one thing about this house is when I say that there's so much love that's been put into this home, so much attention to detail, the pot lights are black. And I know that was done on purpose and I love it. It just adds so much character to this space, and the hardwood flooring's beautiful. The windows look brand new. Like, this house has been completely renovated to please. I am so in love with the space. I feel like moving in myself. Like, as soon as I came in here, I was like, my God, this would make a really good rental property. It makes me want to buy more real estate, which I told myself I wasn't buying any more real estate this year. But wow, am I tempted with this house. It is a killer rental property, but God, would this also make a great home? Like, being able to live in one part of the home, rent out the next part, of your basement, and have that income is such a game changer, especially with interest rates being so low right now. And interest rates are expected to continue to get lower. Bond yields are supposed to be going down, meaning fixed rates are supposed to be going down. You also have the Bank of Canada that is expected to continue to cut rates into the fall. So variable rate mortgages are going to be going down. Lots of opportunities to get in here, guys. Look at the detail in this bathroom. From the light up mirror to the light fixture that's there, even to the blue towels, the towel holder, just beautiful. And I'm loving this shower. Like the same tiling by the sink has been flowed right into the shower. Loving this exquisite gold shower feature. I'm just so in love. You have laundry on both levels, by the way. You don't have to share laundry if you decide to rent out the basement, or if you have in-laws. This is the type of property that will just make it so perfect. Like, you have your privacy, you have the space. Like, this doesn't feel like a bungalow at all. I believe the ceiling height is about 9 feet. So you have more than enough ceiling height. Just a gorgeous home. Beautiful primary bathroom. So in love with this space. Loving the floating sink. It doesn't even look like there's shelving, but there definitely is. Beautifully done. Loving the tile. Oh, gorgeous job. Very deep soaker tub. Lots of quality put into finishing this home, guys. Lots of quality. It is so evident. And I'm telling you, I've seen a lot of homes. What are all those lights? Ooh, I think there's like light timers there, so you can actually time when you want the lights to be on or off. That's a very unique feature. So in love with that. Now let's make our way to the basement. So excited to show you guys this because, like, this has been the game changer for a lot of home buyers who feel like they can't enter the market, is being able to find a home that has a rental apartment, because that's just going to help to limit the amount you have to, pay for your mortgage. You literally have, this house, by the way, does have a garage. You have a garage. So, and a driveway parking spot as well. This is the bathroom. But yeah, being able to have let me show you guys this bathroom. I need to give you guys a full tour. Look at that. Look at the tiling. One of my favorite types of tile, even the tiling on the floor, just gorgeous, beautiful. You guys have to see this in person. You have to book a tour. You have to see this. This is, guys, I'm so excited to feature this property. The pictures online to me don't do it justice, but yes, having a basement apartment rental, it just gives you so much income potential that just helps with your monthly cash flow. So you have pretty much 2 bedrooms down here, beautiful living space with fireplace. This space is so spacious. You can actually put like a dinner table here and have your full, like, basement apartment. Like, this is insane. Or just use it as an extra guest room for family, or just an additional family room, right? And then you have a full kitchen here. Like, I can just imagine like watching soccer games, football games, basketball games here. Then you have the entryway to the backyard here. Look at this, stainless steel appliances. You even have a dishwasher in the basement. Enough space for a full table to be here with 4 chairs. I mean, where do I sign? Where do I sign? I'm loving this little shelving feature. Like, open shelving concept within cupboards. You really have to know how to do it well in order for it to look really well. But wow, gorgeous, gorgeous home. Gorgeous, guys. So let's see the backyard. This is a separate entrance. And look at this. So for more information on this home, guys, please reach out to my team and I. Contact information is in the description and is also in the first comment. Book your tour. This home will not last.